Go this one.
Yes, I can.
I'm gonna do that.
Skryta Mitch. Check a treat.
Hello.
Oh no!
We just.
What?
Oh, it's Halloween in our country, so we thought we'd trick or treat here.
Halloween what?
It's Halloween shoot out, you guys. It's just a dog.
Hey, go quickly. Get out of here then, go.
We thought we'd trick or treat.
Come here. What's his name? Her name?
Oh, just a cute dog.
Okay.
Oh, we thought we'd trick or treat, but
You're trick or treating?
yeah, it's Halloween back in our country.
experience Halloween.
It's Halloween back in our country, so we thought we'd trick or treat
So I'm
here.
going back in a little.
So what is that you're doing?
Oh, we're taking her trick or
There's no
treating.
trick or treating in my country.
We're not ready yet. We
Oh,
don't have
okay.
any tricks we don't have any candy yet.
No, it's just fine. We're just doing it for the fun of it.
Oh, okay, well, if you were closer to Halloween, we'd have the Halloween candy for your
I know,
party.
she's leaving in a few weeks.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.